Hello guys. When your Philips Sonicare toothbrush starts showing a flashing orange battery light, it usually means the toothbrush is running low on power or not charging correctly. You may notice the light blinking repeatedly and the toothbrush may slow down or stop sooner than expected. This can be confusing because sometimes even after placing it on the charger, the light keeps flashing. In most cases, this is not a serious issue but a sign that the battery needs proper charging or the connection is not stable. Since the toothbrush depends on a consistent power supply, even a small problem like poor contact or dirt can affect charging. Understanding this signal is important so you can fix the issue quickly. So, in this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Philips Sonicare toothbrush flashing orange battery light. Try these. Number 1. Place the Philips Sonicare toothbrush correctly on the Philips Sonicare charger and ensure proper contact. 2. Clean the base of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush and the Philips Sonicare charger surface. 3. Remove the Philips Sonicare toothbrush from the Philips Sonicare charger and place it back again properly. 4. Leave the Philips Sonicare toothbrush on the Philips Sonicare charger for a longer charging time. 5. Check if the Philips Sonicare toothbrush light changes from flashing to stable. 6. Use the Philips Sonicare toothbrush after charging and confirm normal battery performance.